So good morning everyone. Today we're going to discuss about Oracle VirtualBox, one of the most popular virtualization platform used for creating and managing virtual machines. In modern computer environments, organizations and developers often need to run multiple operating systems on a single computer. So purchasing separate hardware system for every operating system becomes expensive and inefficient. So this challenge is solved using virtualization technology. Oracle VirtualBox is a powerful and free virtualization software that allows users to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on one physical computer. So in this lecture, we will learn about what is the Oracle VirtualBox Type 2 hypervisor, features and components, and installation and applications. So let us begin with Oracle VirtualBox overview. What is Oracle VirtualBox? It's a Type 2 hypervisor developed by Oracle Corporation. It is a free and open source virtualization platform that enables users to create and run virtual machines. A virtual machine, also called a VM, is a software-based computer system that behaves like a real computer. So using VirtualBox, user can run Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, and many other operating systems on a single machine. So before we continue, let's think about the question: have you ever installed another operating system without changing your current operating system? For example, running Ubuntu inside Windows, testing Kali Linux safely, using an old operating system for compatibility. So VirtualBox makes this possible. It is widely used by students, software developers, testers, and cybersecurity professionals. What is Oracle VirtualBox? Oracle VirtualBox is a cross-platform virtualization software. So let us understand its important characteristics. Virtualization platform. It creates virtual environments where guest operating system can run independently. So Type 2 hypervisor, VirtualBox runs on the top of an existing operating system like a normal application. Cross-platform support. It supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Solaris host. Multiple virtual machines. Users can run several virtual machines simultaneously based on hardware capability. So what is Type 2 hypervisor? To understand VirtualBox, we must understand Type 2 hypervisor. A Type 2 hypervisor is also called a hosted hypervisor. So the physical hardware contains the host operating system. VirtualBox runs as an application on the host OS. Virtual machine run above the hypervisor layer. For example, Windows can be the host OS. So VirtualBox provides key features of a VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox provides many useful features. That is cross-platform support. That is the same virtual machine can run on a different host system. Snapshots. That is, it allows the user to save the exact state of a virtual machine. For example, before installing software, users can create a snapshot. If anything goes wrong, the VM can be restored instantly. Portability. Virtual machine can be copied or moved between computers. Free and open source. VirtualBox is free to use, making it highly popular in education institutions and small organizations. Support operating system. One major advantage of VirtualBox is widely compatibility. Host operating system, that is VirtualBox, can be installed on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Solaris. So guest operating system. Inside VirtualBox, users can run Windows, Linux distributions, BSD, DOS, Solaris, and many others. So more than 100 operating systems are supported. This flexibility makes VirtualBox ideal for testing and experimentation. Oracle VirtualBox. VirtualBox consists of three important components. That is VirtualBox Manager. This is the graphical user interface used to create, start, stop, and manage virtual machines. Virtual machine. These are the isolated environment where guest operating system run. Each virtual machine has virtual CPU, virtual memory, virtual storage, and virtual endpoint device. Guest additions, that is, guest additions are special drivers installed inside the guest OS. Benefits include better graphics, shared clipboard, seamless mouse integration, and improved performance. So how to install and set up? Now let us see how to install VirtualBox. So download the VirtualBox, that is, download the installer from Oracle's official website. Run the installer, install it like any standard software. Create a new virtual machine, that is, choose virtual machine name, operating system type, and version. Configure resources, that is, allocate RAM, CPU, cores, and storage space. Attach ISO file, so mount the operating system, installation ISO. Install guest operating system, start the virtual machine, and install the operating system normally. After installation, the virtual machine behaves like a real computer. So VN configuration setting, that is, power virtual machine configuration is important, good for performance. Memory allocation. Sufficient RAM must be allocated to the virtual machine. For example, Windows virtual machine may require 4 GB RAM, Linux virtual machine may require 2 GB. So process configuration, user can assign multiple CPU cores. More CPU cores improve performance but reduce resource available to the host. Storage configuration: virtual hard disks are created to store OS and files, different disk format like NAT mode or bridge mode. VM acts like a separate device on the network. So the advanced features that VirtualBox also provides: advanced capabilities, snapshots, cloning, useful for testing multiple environments, shared floors, and seamless mode. Thank you.